I'm gonna present the change that I'm going to do in my life, that is going plastic free. First, I have to recognize the issue of how the plastic is affecting our daily lives and how can I change that. And this issue started by the irresponsible use of plastic on a daily basis, which harms our environment in a really bad way. So the question that I did was, is it possible to quit the use of plastic in our modern life? And after researching, I made my conclusion that it is possible, but it's very difficult. That is because since 1950s, it has been produced over 8.3 million tons of plastic, which only 9% of them has been recycled, and another 12 has been incinerated. The 79% left is in our environment, making the pollution problem going bigger. Like you can see in the images, how animals are dying and how the environment is getting polluted. So how can I change that? After making my research, I found out that there's a new trend named going plastic free, which is getting rid of consuming plastic and using organic and non contaminating contents and stuff. So what is it going plastic free? Plastic free is not consuming any plastic that is only going to be used once, like a bottle of water or something like that. But there is some plastic that cannot be not used, like the plastic that are made out of those chairs or in the cars, because though that plastic is going to be used for a long time. So she's Beth Terry, which is a plastic-free pioneer, and on her book she writes and speaks how she managed to go from a life which she was using a lot of plastic to another that she's plastic-free nowadays. So how I'm going to do that? There are many ways to reduce the use of plastic, but if you are trying your best to go plastic free, the first thing she advised you to do is reuse all the plastic you can before not consuming anymore. Because if you stop consuming plastic and you just throw away the plastic that you have, it's gonna pollute more the environment. And it is a very difficult change to not consume plastic. So that is why it's really helpful to research to someone that is plastic free. Can you change the benefits? So Beth says that the benefit that is most notorious is the economic one, because in a year she spends an average American citizen spends over $70,000, and she only spends $50,000. So that's the main benefit. But she says that the benefit that she likes the most is knowing she's trying her best to change the environment and the situation we're living in.